I'm sure you can hear the commotion going on behind me. We've got lawn maintenance crews outside my house and my children bickering with each other in another room. Anyway, Donna here doing a tutorial on how to make stickers in Design Space. Now, I've never done this before, so you'll just have to bear with me, and we will work through this together. So, first things first. This is actually the stickers that I plan on making today. So, but I want to try a couple of things first to see how it all works, all right? So, this, I believe, was I'm not sure which file I uploaded, so in fact I'm going to go ahead and just delete it and start over and click on upload image, browse, find my sticker files. Let's see, type sticker in here. I've got a lot of stickers I've been working on but haven't actually gotten out uplifting stickers. Okay, so then there's the SVG file, but I'm pretty sure I can just do a PNG since it's print and cut. So if I do that, hit open to upload. Simple, high contrast colors, transparent or monochrome background, yes. Hit continue. See, it's already got the white border in there for you. Now, I designed the file that way, but you can do this in Cricut now as well. And in fact, I think that's why I will also show you the SVG file in just a moment. So then, now Cricut switched this up because before the print and cut used to be over here, and then they switched it over here because I guess people use the cut image more, so it makes more sense for it to be first. But it takes a little retraining when you've been doing it so long and are used to it being over here. Anyway, so as you can see with the PNG file, when you cut it, it flattens it all into one image, and you know, that's no good. So make sure you click print then cut. Okay, upload. Okay, then select your file, insert image. Okay, see, you can see here that it's too large. Now when you're doing print and cut, you only have a certain size that you can print in, and that's so that the Cricut, when it's cutting, has that black box that it recognizes that it needs to stay within. Okay, so click up here and it'll tell you. It says the image is too large, reduce size to 6.75 inches by 9¼ or less. So we're going to resize that to exactly what they say, 6.75. So we're going to go to the width, 6.75, enter, and see, now that warning is gone. Okay, and then you click here to make it. Now this is where I'm kind of flying blind with you guys because I've never done this part before. So we have print and cut. So what I have to do first is I have to print. And then I put it on my mat and cut. Okay? So since this is not your normal vinyl like HTV that you would put on a t-shirt or something like that, you don't have to mirror the image. Okay, so then you just go over here and hit continue, and it will ask you to send it to the printer. Now if you've already printed it out, then you would just click this button right here. It's waiting for me to turn on the machine, but I haven't done that yet. So click send to printer. Okay, make sure you select the proper printer. Alright, it's Canon, that's mine. Copies 1, add bleed. Do I want add bleed? I don't know if I want add bleed. I guess we'll find out. And then hit print and see what happens. Alright. And then we will come back for side 2. Bear with me a moment, folks. I'm not sure I've even been recording here. Yeah, there we are. Okay, so I'm still recording. Gotcha. All right, so this is how you would upload it in order to get it to print. Once I get it off my printer, I will be back with part 2 to show you how to actually cut it. Do the actual cutting of the stickers. So I am selecting my device. Now I'm using the maker, but obviously you don't have to have the maker in order to be able to make stickers. So let's just let that load. Ah, that was perfect. All right, so browse our materials. Sticker paper, printable sticker paper, white. It's the Cricut brand, so we'll go ahead and select that. I put the star there just so that if it's something I use on a regular basis, it'll show up in my favorites. That way I don't have to search for it every time. All right, fine point blade. That's what's in there. Okay, so we're ready to go. I put mine on the 12 by 12 mat according to this. If you click on it, it'll show you, just have everything lined up just so, okay, because that's going to determine whether this cuts properly. All right, ready, set, go. And then we just hit the flashing green or flashing white Cricut sign. Okay, this part is where it's calibrating and getting ready to make its cuts, as you can hear in the background. When it is done cutting, I will show you the end product. So for now, adieu. Please forgive my color scheme here. My printer actually ran out of ink, and I figured I would just do this as a trial run anyway, so oh well. Wow. Now, despite my printer not having the proper amount of ink for the colors that I had chosen, this was actually pretty easy. I'm kind of impressed. Check this out. There we go, and there's our stickers. This is actually quite thick paper. I'm kind of impressed. I thought it would be thinner. So easy, guys.